Hello students, welcome to the channel. If you are visiting our channel for the first time, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. So in this video we are going to make a detailed analysis of Kcet rank versus marks. So as we know, if you get 270 plus, then you will get a good rank and will get an admission into top 10 colleges. So you should have at least 270 plus in your PCM boards. So as we know, the Kcet rank is given on the basis of two factors. That is, first is your 50% of your board marks and 50% of your Kcet. So if you get a good in your boards, so that's more chance that you will get a good rank in the Kcet. So in this year we have seen that almost 40 to 100, 80% of the students have taken 40 to 100, and 60 to 80, almost 40% of the students have taken. Okay, in the boards many students have did good in maths. Almost many more students have taken 100. So many students have done a good job in the boards. So we have taken the papers of 2018, 19 and 2017, and we have made analysis on how the rank varies. Okay, so as you can see at one chart, so if you get 280 in your boards, if you get 280 in your boards, then you should have 90 to get a rank less than 5k. Okay, you should have a 90, then you will get a rank less than 5k. If you got 80, then you will get a rank less than 10k. So if you got 70, then you will get 25k, and if you get less than 60, then you will get a rank less than 50. Okay, so this is the analysis of if you get 280 and this is the marks you get. So if you get 260 here, okay, if you get 260, then you should have 100 to get less than 5k, and you should get 90 to get less than 10k. So if you get less than 5k, less than 10k, you will be able to get a good college, top 10 colleges in the Karnataka. If you get 80, then you can get 25k, similar analyzed. So if you get 240, then you should get 110k. So as you can see, as your board marks gets lesser, then you should get more in Kcet. Okay, so that's the advantage, that if so you should get a good marks in your PCM boards. So if you get less marks in the Kcet, then there are much chance that you will get a good rank. Okay, so this is the detailed analysis of this. So as you can see, you can take a screenshot and you can compare your marks from your correct marks. Okay, so this is the analyzed. So as you can see here also, if you got 200 in the PCM boards, then you should take 130 to get a 5k. So as you can compare this and this. Okay, so if you got nice in the board and you can get on 90, you will get 5k less than 5k rank. Okay, so that you can see. So now we have taken some of the comments from our previous videos, and we are answering some comments, and we are so this is not the correct. Okay, this is not the exact, this is almost 70% true. Okay, this is not the exact, but it varies. Okay, it changes 1000 2000, it changes, but it's not the exact. Okay, it's 70% true. So let us see some of the comments from our previous videos. So here you can see Miss has commented that his board marks are 270, 275, and Kcet is 150. I can see the board marks are pretty good, and yeah, much very good in the Kcet. So this rank will be less than 2k. Okay, the rank will be less than 2k, or it can be also less than 1k. Okay, it can be also less than 1k. Okay, it's less than 2k or 1k or 1.5k. So you will get a good rank, and you will also get nice branches in your engineering colleges, in the top 10 colleges. Okay, next comment, that is Joshadit Kanun. Okay, so he has commented that you can say PCM marks 270, that's pretty good marks, and yeah, good marks in the Kcet, that is 120. So the range will be somewhere around you can tell that is yeah, less than 3k, you can tell. Okay, less than 3k or less than 3.5k you will get. Okay, or less than 3.5k. Okay, 3k or 3.5k exact will get. So this is 70% not the exact. Okay, next comment we can say, will come here down. Yeah, Sriyan has commented that you can see 230. Okay, so that is pretty less marks in the PCM boards. You should get 270 plus, then you will get a good rank, and the Kcet average marks you guys get, that's 71. So the rank will be somewhere around, you can tell. So if the rank will be somewhere around 40k, because you can see the PCM marks are very less here. So it is less than 40k, you can tell. Okay, or less than 35k also you can get. Okay, so this is 70% through. Okay, it is 70% through. So not, I will not tell that it's 100% through, it's 70% through. It may change. Okay, 1000 2000 it may change. Okay, every year it changes 1000k 2000k. Okay, so these are some of the comments we have taken. So how the rank changes, so we'll show you some examples how the rank changes. If two students have got the same marks, that is suppose our student got 280 plus in the boards, and 70 plus in the, again in the Kcet, and another student also took the same marks. Okay, another student is also taken the same marks, then how the rank, how they will not give the rank the same rank. So here it depends upon your caste. Okay, it depends your caste. Okay, so if you are general, or you can OBC 2A 3A 2B, or you are SCST, so the SCST students will get the first preference. So if the two students have got the same marks, and the SCST student will get in the top, and the again OBC student will come down, and general will also come down. So this, it depends also upon your caste also. Okay, so on many factors it depends. Okay, so this is the detailed analyzed video of Kcet rank versus marks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.